yung ears niya. Then, look how clingy siya. So, I'm going to bring Angie here in our apartment next week. So, I prepared some of her things. Kasi, yung mga gamit naman na siya before. Kasi nadala ko na siya sa dorm namin last year. But yeah, hindi compatible si Angie and yung dorm namin last year. So, kaya binalik ko ulit siya sa bahay. But like, right now, sa apartment namin, sana maging compatible siya. So, yan, I bought some things for her. And that's well. So, this is like less than 200. I bought all of this orange app. Sa TikTok pala. TikTok. And then, foldable siya. And then, medyo alam mo, kaya ko to binili kasi like I thought purple to. Pero it's blue pala. And then, next is itong perfume. It's just like 52 pesos. Oh, mabango siya. Mabango. Amoy powder. Amoy powder. And then, next is itong diapers. Ito yung lagi kong binibili ng diapers kay Angie. Kasi hindi siya natatanggal. So, it's so nice. And then, last is yung tulugan niya. This is like less than 200 then. So, very, very sulit. That's all. That's all for Angie's things in my apartment. Hi guys! I'm with Angie! Angie. It's Angie Day! So, hi. This is Angie. So, we're going to get her groomed. We're going to go to the vet. And then, pop-update ko na din yung anti-rabies vaccine niya. And then, later at 1 p.m., I'm going to pick her cake up. Kasi, the plan is, I'm going to have an advance photo shoot or celebration for her birthday. Kasi, hindi ko siya magagawa sa exact birthday niya. So, today na lang. Since, it's my free time, it's my break, so ngayon ko siya kayang asikasuhin. And then look how clean this dog is. Kanina nandito siya sa shotgun seat, pero lumipat siya kasi di siya sanay masyado sa sa biyahe. So mas comfortable siya kapag kalong-kalong ko siya. So mamaya magdadrive ako nang kalong-kalong ko siya. Ma? Yes? Okay guys, so here's Angie. Look! Kalbo na siya! Nagulat ako dun sa sa grooming. Kasi sabi ko, dun naman ako lagi nagpapagroom kay Angie. But like, laging ganito yung pinapagroom ko kay Angie pag pa-summer na. Sabi kalbo, pero yung ears and then yung tail is trim lang. And then nagulat ako pagtingin ko sa kanya. Kalahati na lang yung ears niya. Look! Look! Show them your ears! And yes po, ganito po kapayat si Angie. Nagba-vitamins na siya and all, pero hindi talaga siya tumataba. Feeling ko kasi super ligaling niya, no? Tapos may aegosal siya. And then, nakatapos lang din niya magpa-anti-rabies, yeah? And now we're going home to eat lunch. Okay guys, so I'm on the way to pick up Angie's cake. So, medyo malayo pala siya from our house, pero okay lang. I'm back. Nakuha ko na yung cake ni Angie. Here it is. I'm going to show it to you later. Pero, gagawin... Please don't mind the manoks. But anyways, I'll try to make a backdrop here. Kasi parang yung color theme ng photoshoot ni Angie na naisip ko is parang beige and yellow. So, ang pinagawa kong cake sa kanya is yellow and pink na may beige din. So, let's see if makakagawa ako ng maayos na backdrop from this, kumot, and then ito. You know what? Yung backstory nito. Ano to, binili ko to for my sister. Tapos nung nakita ni Anki, gustong gusto niya na din. But like, di ko pa siya nabibilhan ng gantong stuffed toy. Kasi di pa ulit ako nakakabalik sa Miniso. Pero sinabi ko talaga kay Anki na bibilhan ko din siya ng gantong stuffed toy. So, ayun. Gamitin muna natin pang design sa backdrop ni Anki. And baka mas madali siyang mapicturean pag nandito siya. So, yan. Bala ko is dito ilalagay yung back ko. That's Anki. Bala ko is dito Why? Oh, gagalit ka na naman. Ito ko ilalagay yung backdrop kasi nandito yung window namin. So, parang sana maganda yung lighting. Lighting! Anki, look at your cake! Whose cake is this? You're going to take a picture with the cake. Yes, and then you're going to eat it. This is just a small cake for you. So, ito yung cake, guys. This is just a bento cake. Oops, sorry. From Sugarlicious from Pat and Dave. See, ang cute, no? And it's only 300 pesos. Anki, you want to go down? Such a curious dog. Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day to walk Anki. Hey. Anyway, I'm training Anki. I'm gonna walk every morning and every hapon. Kasi sa apartment namin, bala ko siya gawan ng routine ng ganun. Since kaya ko naman siya i-walk. Kasi here sa house namin, walang nagwa-walk sa kanya. So, wala siyang routine for potty. Oh no, there's Poppy! Let's go! And then, para na din masanay siya sa mga tao and sa other dogs. Kasi galit siya sa other dogs. Bala ko sana na sumali kami sa fun run. Like, yung fun run na may pet. Ganun. So, yeah. I'm going to train her. Kapag nakita ko na hindi na siya nagtataho sa mga other people or dogs, mag-register kami. So, yeah.
Hi, vlog! It's me, nag-glow up ako. I'm Rafael.
Okay, so we're going to go sa Robinson's Metro East to have my bike lessons. Yes, guys. At this ripe age of mine, di pa din ako marunong magbike. I mean, I know a little bit. Like, I can ride a bike pero pa straight lang. Pero pagliliko and kapag matagal na, hindi ko siya kayang i-sustain. Hindi ko kaya i-sustain yung balance ko. So, ayun, I searched sa TikTok ng mga like bike lessons and all. And then I found this page which is NBO Bike Lessons yata. And then nag-offer sila ng bike lessons for just 350 for one session. And luckily may malapit sa amin na location nila which is in Robinson's Metro East. So mag-enroll agad ako. I mean, hindi naman agad. Tinapat ko siya sa break ko. That's why today, pupunta tayo there to have my bike lessons and hopefully matuto na ako mag-bike. Kasi I really want to learn how to bike and learn how to ride a motorcycle. So, ayun, yung nag-push talaga sa akin to ride a bike, I mean, to learn how to ride a bike is because I wanted to have Code A in my license. Bakit? Pangit lasa? Kaya talaga kasama si Mo. Sabi sa'yo ako talaga ni Mami. Ano? Nasasapian na siya. Ay! Okay guys, so I'm back here in my apartment. And I just wanna share yung experience ko kahapon during my bike lesson. So, it was fun. As you can see dun sa previous video. Previous clip na natuto ako mag-bike. Ang issue ko lang talaga sa biking is hindi ko kayang i-sustain yung self ko. And if masustain ko man siya, ang kaya ko lang i-sustain is yung padiretso. Pero kahapon, I learned how to make liko. And then, kaya ko na din bilisan yung speed ko. And nakailang ikot ako as in to the point na sumakit yung bam ko. As in, like, I thought hindi siya masakit. Pero then, like today, paggising, hindi nga paggising eh. Like kahapon, pag uwi ko, ang sakit niya ha, in fairness. Hanggang ngayon, masakit siya. Yan, TMI. Pero like, ayun, sa mga mag-aaral pa lang mag-bike, yeah, heads up na masakit siya sa bawang. And I just wanna encourage, kung may encouragement. Pero yeah, I just wanna encourage people, especially yung mga matatanda na, hindi lang to sa pagbabike ha. Like, if you think that you're like old enough to learn new things, or that you're not in the position or in the age na mag-try ng new things, just know na your age won't define the things that you want to try and the things that you want to learn. You can learn new things every day, even if kahit anong age na kayo. Because learning is fun. Learning is good, especially if you try it nang hindi iniisip kung ano yung isipin ng ibang tao. Like, me, hindi ako nahiya na sabihin sa mga friends ko and sa sister ko na nag-enroll ako for bike lessons. Even if tinawanan nila ako, yes, they laughed at me because like, parang they said na, bike lang yan, so ba't mag-enroll ka pa for like a bike lesson? Parang everyone can learn how to bike without enrolling sa bike lessons. But yeah, it didn't affect me. I still pushed through sa bike lesson na yun. And yeah, less than an hour, natuto ako mag-bike. And I think it's very worth the price for that session. So, ayun guys, this is your sign na if you want to learn and if you want to try new things, go. Huwag niyong pansinin kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. Just go for it. Because at the end, yourself will benefit from it. It will be added to your skill set, to your experience, and life should be explored. So don't be discouraged to try and explore new things. Yeah.